In 48 BC, Julius Caesar set fire to his own fleet in the harbor of Alexandria. The flames spread to the shore, burning through the greatest repository of human knowledge the world had ever seen, the Great Library of Alexandria. Hundreds of thousands of papyrus scrolls containing lost mathematics, astronomy, literature, and medicine turned to ash. This catastrophe set human civilization back by over 1,000 years, contributing to centuries of dark ages. But what if that fire was put out in seconds? What if the Library of Alexandria survived? At second zero, the stray spark is snuffed. The great wooden shelves do not ignite. The scrolls of Archimedes, Euclid, and Aristarchus remain completely untouched. Without the destruction of its collective memory, human advancement doesn't stall, it accelerates. In the 1st century AD, the Greek engineer, Hero of Alexandria, had already invented the world's first working steam engine. In our timeline, it was treated as a novelty, but in a world where the library thrives, scholars combine his steam engine with early metallurgy, triggering an industrial revolution 1,500 years ahead of schedule. By the 5th century AD, while our timeline was entering the Dark Ages, the scholars of Alexandria have already mapped the heliocentric solar system, designed mechanical printing presses, and built advanced medical centers using clean surgical standards. The preservation of ancient knowledge changes everything, because knowledge was never lost. There is no feudal decay, no religious suppression of science, and no centuries of forgotten mathematics. By the 10th century, steam-powered difference engines, the world's first analog computers, are calculating complex orbital mechanics. By the 12th century, iron-hulled Alexandrian ships navigate the globe using accurate star charts, contacting the Americas centuries before Columbus, establishing peaceful trade instead of conquest. By the 14th century, human technology reaches the stars. Steam gives way to advanced chemical propellants, sending the first rockets into orbit from the banks of the Nile. Fast forward to our present day, and humanity isn't just inhabiting Earth. We are an interstellar civilization. Sprawling marble and glass cities cover the Moon and Mars. Solar arrays ring the planet, providing infinite clean energy to a unified world. If the library never burned, humanity didn't lose 1,000 years to darkness. We gained the universe. High above Mars, inside a glass vault, the original scroll of Euclid sits intact. A silent reminder that knowledge was our bridge to the stars.
The Alexandrian, humanity's greatest achievement, begins its long journey to the stars.